Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine. Today I am giving test paper maximum mark 25. Chapter 16, 19, 20. Do it in copy. Question number 1. Filling the blanks. 4 mark question. The point where three faces of solid meet is known as its dash. Second one. A cube has dash vertices, dash edge and dash faces. A cylinder has dash faces. D. An almirah looks like a dash. Question number 2. Find out number of cubes in the figure. That I will show later. Question number 3 to 6 is 2 mark question. A number cube has its side numbered 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 5. If the cube is thrown once, what is the probability of rolling an odd number? Question number 4. The probability that a family has 4 children is 1 by 10. A family is chosen at random. Find the probability that a family does not have 4 children. A family has 4 children. If you add a family does not have 4 children plus probability of a family has 4 children, to probability you add it, you will get 1. That is the clue of this question. Okay. Arrange the following data as an array. That you know very well. Data array. You have to do it in descending or ascending order. Question number 6. If the mean of 5 observations given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observation given, that mean is 11. Find the first 3 observations mean. Okay. Complete the following frequency. Data given. You have to complete this frequency table. Data given. See, this is the data. You can see the data. Okay. You have to find out mean, median, mode of this data. These are the questions. Clear, children? Now, one extra knowledge from this chapter is Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? Euler's formula means one famous mathematician name is Euler. Find out the formula, that is F plus V minus E equal to 2. What is this? If you want to know a solid vertices, if you know the face and edges of that solid figure, you can find out the vertices using this formula. Polyhedron meaning, children, solid shape only, 3-dimensional solid shape having flat surfaces, plain surfaces, that is called polyhedron. Understand everybody? This is called Euler's formula. When you will use, if you want to know faces of a solid figure, if you know the vertices and the edges. This formula you can remember very easily. You remember like 5, F-I-V-E 5. F-I, see here I written F-I-V-E 5, like that 5. You plus it, 5. Alternate minus, okay, equal to 2. Understood everybody? Okay. Now I will discuss exercise 16.2. I already discussed this question. Even, see, book figure not that much clear, so I drawn myself. From there I will show you how to count the cubes in the figure. Same figure I drawn here. Count it how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One block, 12 cubes are there. Like that, how many cubes are, how many blocks? 1, 2, 3 more blocks are there. One face, 12. Then again 3, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. 4 times 12. 12 4 are 48. See, I drawn separately one block. See, second block also, third block 12, second block also 12, and fourth block also 12. Okay. Then one block 12 like 12 plus 12 plus 12, 4 times 12, otherwise 12 into 4, 48 cubes are there. Clear, children? Now I hope everybody understood. 16.2 second question. Now third question, see here. Third question, what is third question? You read the question first. Third question, how many cubes are there in the following arrangement? That is second question. Third question, there 3 cubes of side 2 cm placed side by side. Find the dimensions of the resulting cuboid. Okay. 2 cm, 3 cubes are there. See, I arranged 3 cubes side by side. Then length increasing. Now length is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 cm. Breadth 2 only. Height also 2. Okay. So dimensions meaning length, breadth, height. No need to multiply length, breadth, height. Length is 6, breadth 2 and height 2. 6 by 2 by 2. Clear, children? Dimension meaning length, breadth, height. I hope everybody understood now this problem. Now last question. This question like only this question also, children. You can do like this only. Okay. That question number, last question number 4. Dimensions of the cartoon. Just now only I told you dimensions meaning length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Dimensions of the cartoon which 100, 50 and 60. See, dimensions of the cartoon is 100, 50 and 60. Now cube dimensions. Cube dimension 10, 10, 10. This is cube. Length, breadth, height same only. So the question is, how many cubes of dimension can be fixed in the cartoon? How many this small cube you can put inside this cartoon? Okay, how many? Number you have to find out. Always you want to find out the number of anything. That meaning to fill inside any object you want to fill it in another object. That meaning volume of the big object divided by volume of the small object. That is the formula. Anything you want to fill it in any other objects, that is number of objects you want to fill, then formula is volume of the big object divided by volume of the small object. Volume meaning length into breadth into height for cuboid. Cube length into breadth into height only, but cuboid length, breadth, height is same. So we are telling side cube, otherwise edge cube. See, here I explain. Cube dimension 10, 10, 10. The number of cubes can be fitted in the cartoon. Now only I told you volume of the big, that is cartoon, divided by volume of the small cube. Volume of, say, length into length of cartoon, breadth of cartoon and height of cartoon divided by length of cuboid, breadth of cuboid, height of cuboid. You having the dimension, you put it and cut it, you will get a 300 cubes. Number having no unit at all, everything will be cut out, centimeter will be cut out. Okay. So whenever you want a number of anything, have to fill in any other objects. Number you want, then volume divided by volume of big object divided by volume of small object. Like that you can consider your this question also, children. This is a cuboid because length, breadth and height different only. Length, suppose here no dimensions given, you will take this 1 centimeter. Here I will written. See, suppose 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Then length, breadth, how much? 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3 centimeter breadth. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 centimeter length. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 centimeter height. Okay, understand? Height, breadth length. Otherwise length, breadth, height, like that also. Okay, this big one cuboid. Inside the big one cuboid, you want to fill the small cubes. How many small cubes you want? Okay, small cube having 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter length, and 1 centimeter height. Cube 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Volume of the small cube. Volume of the big one 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Okay. Now you divide it. Big one divided by small one. 48 centimeter cube divided by 1 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube will cut out. 48 by 1 equal to 48. You will get 48 cubes. Okay. You can count. Otherwise you can do it like this problem. I hope everybody understood 16.2 exercise very clearly now. Okay, study well, and I will take in next chapter in next video.